7:42 a.m., 17th of August, 1942, Eagle Farm Airfield near Brisbane, Australia. Captain Paul Pappy Gunn isn't in a cockpit. He's crouched under the wing of a parked Douglas A220, sleeves rolled up, watching a welder shower sparks into the bomber's nose. They've ripped the bombardier's position clean out. In its place, Pappy is having them weld in 50 caliber Brownings, not one or two, but an entire battery of guns pointing straight ahead. He's 43 years old, 21 years in uniform. His wife and 4 kids are in a Japanese prison camp in Manila. The official engineers from 5th Air Force look at the mess and shake their heads. This is impossible, one of them tells him. You can't just turn a bomber into a giant machine gun. You'll wreck the balance, overheat the nose, tear the mounts right out under recoil. Pappy doesn't care. For months, he's watched standard-issue tactics fail. From high-altitude, A-20s and B-25s drop pretty patterns of bombs into the ocean while Japanese convoys steam away untouched. When they try to go lower, Japanese deck gunners turn them into fireballs. In July alone, the 3rd Attack Group lost 11 A-20s trying to hit ships the proper way. Up in New Guinea, Japanese transports are reinforcing at will. Every ship that gets through means more guns pointed at the Marines and soldiers on the ground. Gunn has a different idea. Forget high-altitude precision. Forget pretty bomb runs. Get in low. Get in fast. Make the bomber into a gunship that rips a convoy apart before it can shoot back. So at Eagle Farm, he starts hacking. Bombardier? Gone. Nose glass? Cut away. Skinned over with metal. 50 cal Brownings. Bolted into homemade mounts. Ammo cans crammed wherever they'll fit. Later, he'll do the same to B-25s, stuffing the noses with up to 8 forward-firing guns, adding cheek guns and side packages until the whole front of the airplane is one huge battery. The maintenance officers call it crazy. The engineers call it unsafe. The paperwork says it's not authorized. Pappy just grins through the welding smoke. I'm not building a bomber, he tells anyone who will listen. I'm building a ship killer. On the ground at Eagle Farm, surrounded by scrap metal, field welders, and a lot of people telling him it can't be done, one stubborn captain is quietly inventing the low-level gunship that will, within a year, wipe out 12 Japanese ships in 3 days. All he has to do next is prove it works in combat.